Okay, so this is the video made to teach you guys on how to dial. Very, very simple. Okay, all you have to do is go to dashboard, and on this page, again, you have your available campaigns that you can dial. So if you want to start doing manual or predictive dialing, this is where you all will start. Let me explain in a bit. So let's say I'm going to start using Tycoon campaign. So I just have to click on that. Okay. Now you'd see here
finding prospects.
Okay, you'd see there the moment you are successfully logged in, you will be able to hear get ready to sell, finding prospect. Now on top of this box, you'd be able to see connection status. The first box means the first icon means your actual connection to the dialer. Okay, so that means you're already connected with the dialer. Okay, now right here it says waiting because I did hang up the line, but I am connected on an active campaign. The second one is your contact. Once this one is checked, that means you have someone on the line talking to you already. Now on this one, you're currently on an idle status. Okay, let's try to agent disconnect and go back to the dashboard again and try to dial. So where were we? Tycoon. Okay, just hit it once. Connection status. I am connected. I just heard get ready to sell, finding prospect, and okay, it's kind of noisy. Okay, it's getting noisy now, the rock and roll sound. Okay, now I just did hit on hang up. Okay, so obviously right here I am not connected with any call, so it's still manually dialing. Not manually, it's predictively dialing. It's automatic dialer function. If you want to go ahead and do manual dial, as soon as you're done hitting this button right here, and you don't have anyone on the line, you just hit on manual dial, and this is where you put in the phone number that you want to dial and then click call now. It is very important that you dispose the line first. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, right here it says waiting and there's no number to dial. That's the perfect time. Oh wait, no. Let me. Okay, I just disconnected myself. Let me try again. Tycoon, and then I want to manually dial. Get ready to sell, and then hit this one right away. I am currently disconnected, and this is when you hit manual dial. Okay. Now, as soon as a call comes in, again, I've discussed this earlier. After a call, you're not gonna get routed to another call, not until you dispose the call. You will appear as if you are on idle. Okay? Now, this is a numbers game. As soon as a call is done, I suggest dispose the call right away so that a new call will come in right away. So again, custom, scheduled callback, made contact, unable to contact, and you assign to fields. Those are the things that you can select, and there's sub options over there. So we could probably dispose the call. Thanks.